Welcome to another episode of HVAC Tips with Kevin. Today I'm going to tell everybody about what the heck is duct cleaning and why would you clean your ducts, what are the benefits. So duct cleaning is one of those dirty little industries where there's a lot of scammy people out there. So it doesn't have the best reputation if you've had that experience. It costs a lot of money and there are unfortunately a lot of companies who really don't do a great job and they really don't care. So one thing to look for is that you're looking for a good quality company. If you're using the lowest cost provider in your area, probably not a good idea. And make sure that they're using good quality equipment. The biggest thing is you need lots of suction happening inside of that duct system. And there should be a big hose going into your duct system somewhere. And then inside of the vents, that's going to be cleaned out with compressed air, a brush, and things called whips. And so those are different things to look for and ask about when you're booking an appointment with the company. Now, what are the benefits? Allergies. If you have ducts that are full of dust and debris, every time your furnace comes on, all of those things become airborne, and it's not something that's going to help your allergies out. Secondly, if you've got an air conditioning coil and other components in there that are susceptible to getting plugged up with dirt and debris, that can have a serious impact on the reliability and the efficiency of that equipment. And then there's the condition of that furnace. All of these furnaces these days, they have really expensive electronic controls. Electronic controls like motherboards, things like this, one thing they do not like is dust. And that's another big benefit of having your furnace and ducts cleaned out every year. Hope that helps everybody. Kevin with Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning.